If you love Princess House and want to get great discounts on your own products, joining the company is a great way to do that. My name is Thelindabradley, and I've been with Princess House for 40 years, and I love bringing new people into it for all of the benefits. When you first start your Princess House business, you're going to get a starter kit. Number one in our starter kit, Vida Sana is the special 5-ply cookware that allows you to cook without any added fats or oils. It cooks 29% faster, and when you use the special Vida Sana area of it, you get 67% of your nutrients stay in your food. So this is the 2.5-quart size. And this is in our nonstick collection. This is the 10-inch nonstick skillet. Some of the tools that you're also going to get, this is part of our silicone tool collection. The base is stainless steel, silicone head, so it'll never scratch any of your products. Silicone is heat resistant up to 375 degrees, so you're never going to have to worry about it peeling like plastic does. Great for your prep work is your bamboo cutting board. This one is nice because it has the silicone on the edges so that when you put it down, it doesn't move or slide. And it also has the well around it. So if you're cutting something that has liquid, it captures it in the well. And then of course we have the knives to go along. This is the German inspired. They have a really great feel to them, but what you're going to find is they're perfectly balanced for your hand. They're made out of one continuous piece of steel. It's called full tang, so it'll never snap in half. This is the 5.5-inch santoku knife, and it does come with the sheath. You can either have it in the sheath or of course put it in a knife block. And then we have our soup and more containers, and these are the ones that have the borosilicate glass on the outside, but they have silicone on the outside, and they have a nice little extra little seal here. So if you have soup in here and you want it to get a little bit cool, you can use that. And this is our Immersion Blender. It is a 4-in-1 Immersion Blender because it has so many different uses. This one is attached to a mini food processor. You can use it for nuts when you're baking. It's also great for carrots or celery, cucumbers, anything that you need. It's so easy to switch. You just twist, take it off, and then put it onto the next one. The next one that I have is a masher. So obviously this is good for your mashed potatoes. The next one I wanted to show you is a mini blender. So this is great for your smoothies. It's also great when you're making hot soups and you need to blend it. You can blend it right into the pan. And last of this selection is the whisk. And you can use this either for pancakes or eggs or even whipped cream. And it does come with the beaker to make it really easy for you to be able to do that. If you were to add everything up, this kit is valued at over $600. You're also going to get new catalogs, specials, everything that you need. So as a brand new consultant, you can get the kit for just $199. It's the best discount out there. And you can even start with just a $75 deposit. So you can start with $75 and then go ahead and submit orders, and you have 3 months in which to pay your kit in full. So right now, through March 22nd, when you join Princess House and submit your first $750 in orders, it could be one big order or it could be, a bunch of different orders, it doesn't matter. You get to win a prize. And the prize right now is our new collection. This is called the Lock Fresh. And it's a set of 3 different sizes. They're borosilicate glass, and then the tops are made out of BPA-free plastic and silicone. When you use them for your soups, you can turn them over and nothing leaks. So you're going to get that as a prize when you submit your first $750 in orders by March 22nd. But there's still more. We have a very special surprise right now that we're really excited about. Don't stop at the first $750. Submit another $750 in orders by March 22nd to have a total of $1,500 in orders, and you will get the #1 selling item in the Princess House line, and that is our high power blender. We're so excited to be able to offer this to you for a very limited time. It's in the book for $639, and it is a great special that only you can get right now as a brand new consultant. Once you start Princess House, you might find that your friends are also interested in joining. And so when a friend joins you in business and they submit their first $750 in orders, you are then going to get as your prize the electric tea kettle, which is one of my favorite items. So you can see that Princess House likes to start you off with some wonderful prizes, and along the way, you'll even have the opportunity to earn more. What's nice about this is you can do it at your own speed. I will act as your personal coach and trainer, and I will help give you all of the details, what you need. So just reach out to me personally, and I'm happy to help you with any questions that you have. My email address is thelindabradley@gmail.com. Or if you're ready to sign up, just go right to my website, www.princesshouse.com/lbradley, and you can sign up right on the website. But the way we look at it is it's a $75 investment. You can check it out and see if it's something that you like. If you decide that you're not happy, you can stop. You get to keep your kit. You owe the company nothing and they owe you nothing. So what have you got to lose?